80% of infectious diseases occur because of contact spread through hands and surfaces. A recent study by CSIRO discovered that COVID-19 can survive on common surfaces for up to 28 days. Traditional disinfectants and sanitation products are only doing half the job we need them to. They clean and disinfect, but offer no ongoing protection. That's where SIQURA comes in. SIQURA cleans, disinfects, and provides long-lasting antibacterial protection using our world-leading QuatLock technology. QuatLock means that surfaces stay cleaner longer. When SIQURA is applied to a surface, it immediately starts killing microorganisms. As it dries, the QuatLock forms a microscopic layer that locks onto the surface. When new contamination arrives, the QuatLock layer continues to defend the surface, killing unwanted bacteria. Once bonded, the QuatLock doesn't leave the surface or deplete in microbial efficacy, meaning that it stays effective for longer periods of time. Rather than poisoning microbes using harsh chemicals, QuatLock uses a small electrostatic charge to kill, making it more human and eco-friendly. SIQURA offers a complete cleaning and protection system that includes a hospital-grade disinfectant and protectant, a neutral multi-surface cleaner and protectant, a 24-hour hand sanitizer, and textile and laundry solutions. Our hospital-grade disinfectant and protectant cleans, disinfects, and then bonds to create a self-sanitizing surface. It offers up to 24 hours of active bacterial protection on high touchpoint areas and up to 30 days active protection on low touchpoint areas. It kills 99.99% of bacteria and is listed on the ARTG as effective against COVID-19. SIQURA Hospital Grade has been tested according to the following methods and is effective against a broad range of bacteria and viruses such as human coronavirus E229, including COVID-19. Our hospital-grade disinfectant can work as part of our SIQURA hygiene system. The SIQURA multi-surface cleaner and protectant is ideal for routine cleaning in between disinfection cycles and boosts the QuatLock barrier established by the hospital-grade disinfectant and protectant. Together, these two products work as an efficient system, minimising labour and the need for continuous touchpoint cleaning. SIQURA also has fabric and laundry solutions suitable for a range of textiles, staff uniforms, residents' clothing, and bedding. SIQURA products don't use harsh chemicals to poison microbes, making it an ideal system for sensitive aged care environments. And with long-lasting efficacy, you can rest assured knowing that you have an invisible layer of defence in place to support a healthier environment for residents and the staff who care for them. With advanced antimicrobial protection, SIQURA really is the smarter clean.